Hello folks, it's Rory here, and just a wee update on the TZR coming up for you today. We're all really bored with this lockdown, but I hope you're all keeping well and keeping distance from everybody, because I certainly am, trying not to spread this thing, and let's hope we all get a chance to get out there and get on our bikes and do what we want to do. In the meantime, we've just been doing a wee bit of maintenance. This is the 2010 TZR, which I have. Here she is, and I actually came out yesterday with the intention of a wee bit of polishing, and when I came out I noticed there was some rust on it, so the polishing kind of turned into grinding down some areas of rust. I've ground it down to metal there on that weld, this bracket, trying to save that and make sure it doesn't go anywhere, and same back here as well. There's a couple of wee bits there, but it worked really well. Did it last year, and this part here had some surface rust on it, so I just ground that down, prepped it with hammerite, and it did the world of good, and it's kept it really good. So I've only got a wee bit more to grind down and paint, and then I'll need to get a stupid thing, a bolt for the windscreen there. One of them broke, so I'll need to get that, and then I will finally be able to actually give it a polish. So mechanically it's running really well. It's running a 70cc top performance kit, and with a 21mm Polini Carb and a Technigas exhaust, and it's running really well. Really happy with it. So can't wait to get out on it when this whole virus thing finishes. I've still got the wee Honda NSC50 as well, and thinking I might, well, it's up for sale. I fancy a change. Probably another geared bike, probably something that I can modify as well, which obviously the TZR is really great for. So yeah, the Honda's up for sale. I'll miss it. It was my first actual two-wheeled venture, so I will miss it. But yeah, so just a quick update on what I'm doing, and I'll be getting my grinder, well, my cheap copied Dremel out, which does the job anyway. Slapping a bit of hammerite smooth satin finish on, and it does the job really well, and I'll hopefully get that done this weekend. A wee bit of polishing, tidying up, and hopefully I'll be able to get back out quite soon. So if you want to keep updated with what I'm up to, please subscribe, it'd be great. And if you've got any comments, if you want a wee chat, bung them down, always reply, and it's great to get to chat to some other sort of fellow enthusiasts and so on. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you in a video soon.